16 ডিসেম্বর তেজগাঁ বিমানবন্দরে এসে নামলেন জেনারেল অরোরা। রেসকোর্স ময়দানে আত্মসমর্পণের দলিল স্বাক্ষর দিলেন জেনারেল নিয়াজি। চূর্ণ হয়ে গেল পাকিস্তানি দম্ভ। মিত্রবাহিনীর পক্ষে দলিলে স্বাক্ষর দিলেন জেনারেল অরোরা। মুক্তিবাহিনীর পক্ষে উপস্থিত ছিলেন গ্রুপ ক্যাপ্টেন AK খন্দকার।
Now, India thought she had an opportunity. The military preponderance of India has weighed heavily against Pakistan's military forces. And
इसलिए जब बात खत्म हो चुकी, जब किश्ती डूबने लगी, जब किश्ती को आग लगी, फिर याह्या खान ने कहा अब मैं हुकूमत अवामी नुमाइंदों को देना चाहता हूं।
For the people of West Pakistan, the news of defeat is a bombshell. They have been told they were winning a war. Now the war is lost. Revenge, a new war with India is the demand. But also there is a deeper sense of loss and bewilderment. Pakistan Radio broadcasts the songs of exile. The soldiers and the Razakars are treated as the murderers of Bengal, but they are not alone. 132 nations subscribe to the United Nations, to its ideals of justice and human worth, its pledge to redeem mankind from the scourge of war.
It is perhaps fitting that the Mukti Bahini was at the forefront when the Pakistani High Command in the East threw in the power.
Is now the free capital of a free country. The instrument of surrender was signed in Dhaka at 16:31 hours Indian Standard Time by Lieutenant General A. Niazi on behalf of the Pakistan Eastern Command. Lieutenant General Ranjit Singh Arora, GOC in command of the Indian and Bangladesh forces in the Eastern Theatre, accepted the surrender.